Hey guys, how you living? How you feeling? How you doing? My name is Jay the Trap Witch, and I'm here to drop some divine spells of wisdom on that ass. Okay, so we are doing the collective reading for Leo. Okay, I had to put on some jungle sounds for y'all. Okay, y'all the king of the what? King of the jungle, queen of the jungle. Okay, how to get back in touch with nature, how to get back to your divine self, your true self, okay? You gotta make things work in a different environment. As you can see, it's night time over here. It's 10:37, and I figured I'd do one more reading for today, so we just wanna get into it, Leo. Hiccup. 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 Y'all getting choked on your words? Hiccup. Y'all got something to say. Spit it out. You got something to say, speak up. Nah, it was his cup. What? It was his cup. He gave it to me. Who are you fighting? Who is this? No, it's mine. He let me borrow it. Fuck. Some of y'all are fighting with somebody about something, first of all, that don't belong to neither of y'all. Okay, let's get into these messages for Leo. Energy for Leo. If you would like to book a reading, make sure you check my description box below. You can DM me on Instagram, or you can book in the link. Book in the link. Alright, so that's how we're going to do this one. Okay, so I feel drained. Oh, y'all feel drained. I'm feeling you haven't been able to make a decision. You haven't been able to make a decision about something that's ending. Something's ending. It's old. It's over. Yeah, you could have been losing sleep over it. I feel like you're not. I feel like you're kind of waking up to it. Nine of Swords, Page of Swords with Three of Cups. I feel like you're not, okay. Add. So I feel like you were coming to this awakening that you no longer have to be afraid of something, afraid of facing something. Having the support of loved ones with the Three of Cups, friends, family. Oh, I'm like, where did I get these? Coming into some money. You could be coming into some money very soon. Now, the Six of Pentacles, the Tower, and the Three of Wands. I feel like you did make your mind up about something. And you could be, this is this decision that you were debating on. It's draining. It's kind of beat to the ground. Two of Swords in reverse, meaning you've gained the clarity. You've gained clarity on having to fight this decision. Clarify this for me. Okay. Clarify this card. Sorry, y'all. So somebody is, I think, realizing that they made a mistake, realizing that they made a decision from being petty or pride. Pride let them get in the way. With the Five of Swords, the Emperor, and the Five of Wands, I feel like somebody let their pride get in the way of this some type of action. Five of Wands is you know what, Leo, for some reason let's keep going. Something is telling me to be done, but I'm gonna keep going. Because I feel like this is a lot of past energy here. Or I feel like this is a lot of, let me keep going and see where it takes me. So someone's pride has gotten in their way, causing a lot of unnecessary actions, unnecessary opinions, and something was done from out of pride and ego. You got the Six of Pentacles, the Tower, clarified with the Strength card. Three of Wands in the reverse, clarified by the Magician in the reverse. So you don't take, something is not being, something in your journey that you're wanting to jump upon, like jump upon a trampoline, a bouncy house. That's like inner child. So there's some, okay. Six of Pentacles. Eight of Cups. Okay, that sounds kind of stingy. There's a lot of options here. There's a lot of different ways you can go. I see 1111. Ace of Wands. Here, that's what I wanted to say. There finally there's clear movement upon something once you have healed. That's probably why. Okay. Let me keep going. Because I see you here, Leo. That's the only reason why I didn't back out, because of the strength. You're here in the spread, so I didn't want to give up. And I feel like that's the message for y'all, Leos. Don't give up. Keep going. Face. I feel like there's something that you need to face here with this Tower card. With it being in reverse, you haven't faced it. Also with this Three of Wands in reverse and the Magician, you needing to realize your power here. Face what you need to face, because you have, I feel like, healing energy. You are willing to face what you need to face. But you also do have the Six of Pentacles with the Ace of Cups in reverse. I feel like you're moving out of this space of lack. I feel like you're changing your relationship with money here. With this Nine of Cups, Page of Cups, and the Nine of Wands. She looks like she's waiting to be picked up. She's waiting for her friends. She's ready to go. She got her shit together. Okay, she's like, what's up? What's the move? You know what I'm saying? And I feel like there's something that, with the Nine of Wands, that you might not be content with. Yes, maybe you're, wait, did I read? Girl, I don't even think I read the right thing. I think I did, but listen. It's like almost 10 o'clock. I go to bed. Go to bed. I did not read the right thing. Yes, you haven't been showing some love. Nine of Cups is showing love to yourself. Maintenance, maintaining an image. Being yourself. Let's see. You're not feeling yourself. You're not feeling like yourself. Clarify the Nine of Cups. You could be moving out of this energy. Walking away from something. Okay, this is still at the bottom. Letting go of some burdens. This reading has been all over the place. But I feel like you're moving towards something that you really want. It's like you're moving out of this. Give me a second. Because you move from the Nine of Cups in reverse to the Nine of Wands. So this is all action, baby. You all action right here. You all in. We're gonna get some more clarity. By the end, it's all gonna make sense. And I think for you, by the end of this, it's all gonna make sense. By the end of what you're going through, it's gonna make sense. Because with this Nine of Cups and the Seven of Swords, the Seven of Swords is moving away. Moving away from something. So you could be coming up out this energy of feeling lack, feeling undeserving of something. Because I see with the Page of Cups, something is starting to grow. Something is starting to grow, and you're taking more action. Whew. Blockages for Leo, please. What's blocking Leo at this time? Excuse me. What's blocking Leos at this time? Not taking, wait. Mental stagnation. Oh, one more thing. Clarify this for me. Cycle's not been completed yet. You need to make up your mind about, okay, so the world has Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo, Taurus energy. King of Pentacles here, Taurus energy. There's a lot of air. So this could be dealing with a Leo, a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. I feel like you're able to sleep now because you're able to deal with this swords energy. But there may still be some mental conflict about closing out this cycle with this King of Pentacle energy. This could also be closing out a cycle of a lack mindset. Hello, you better answer the call to that Ace of Wands, okay? Blockages for Leo. I'm trying to make sure I don't forget, or just I'm reading these cards. I feel like this lack mindset that you're having is affecting relationships and money. Relationships and what is going on? Okay, so you're trying to be more open. Okay, so I don't know how this works. Okay, so you're done crying over spilled milk. You're done, you're becoming, okay, so this could be the struggle. Not being open. Not being open to some new beginnings because you need to close out some past, because you're still reminiscing over the past, and you will get justice once you let this go. And the Queen of Pentacles, being on top of your money, taking care of yourself. Taking care of yourself. Yeah, also expressing your emotions. Because with the Nine of Cups, that's not being open at all. I think walking away from things that make you feel like that. Walking from energy, you deserve more. I feel like you deserve more, and you need to speak on it. You need to speak on it, or you need to take that action and leave about these situations that give you barely nothing. That only give you the Page of Cups, and you are willing to feel you are enough to achieve this Nine of Cups. You're leaving relationships that give you this Page of Cups fucking energy. You're moving the fuck up out of there. You're willing to wait. I feel like you like, what's up? Okay? But you need to know how you feel, know what you want. You need to be prepared. Okay? You need to be prepared to give what you are looking for. Okay? What's Leo's next best move, Spirit? Leo's next. Okay, that one was gonna flip out anyway. We got the Sun card. It came out in the reverse. Getting more in touch with your child. I feel like this is healing childhood issues, really connecting to that inner child so you can feel, the parts in you that need healing, so you can close out this cycle. Being patient with yourself, being patient with others. If you feel like something is not growing at the speed that you want, that's your ego. Spirit's plan is on top of it, okay? Feeling content, feeling present with where you are right now. Feeling emotionally satisfied, knowing that everything is going to be okay. Get clear on what you want. Get clear on your thoughts, clear with how you feel about something. Letting go of this burden. Decide with the Moon card. Dealing with some emotions. Wow. Dealing with some emotions. Dealing with some deep triggering emotions. Getting to the bottom of it with the Judgment card here. Yeah, releasing those burdens. What advice for Leo here? What advice for Leo here, Spirit? What do Leos need to hear right now? Wow, y'all didn't get this card, but look. Inner child healing. And then at the bottom of the deck we have Sacred Plan. So I feel like this does have to do with friendships, especially. Making a decision about. Let me make sure I'm not missing no cards right here. Yeah, coming to a complete understanding, friendship, and union. Okay, so if you feel like you need to work on something, if you feel like you need to close, there's a cycle that hasn't been completed, do what you gotta do. Right here, you have the learning experience. So I feel like right now, in this current stage that you're in, it's a learning experience for you. This is teaching you to be patient, teaching you to be open to love, not just romantic love, but platonic love, the people in your life, and loving yourself, being happy and content to where you are. Okay, if triggering things come up for you that maybe that had to deal with your childhood, you know, it's a learning experience for you now to grow, to heal and grow and to move forward. And then we also have trust the universe. Trust in the universe. Set your intentions. Set your intentions for what you want that are going to make you feel this way. Make sure you are able to reciprocate that energy. Put your intentions out there. Okay? Know what you want and desire and what you deserve. And trust the universe that they have this sacred plan in mind for you. Alright? So this is all I got for you, Leos. I'm kind of surprised that this is under 30 minutes. But that's good. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. I love y'all.